Welcome back. Now, one of the things you can do to promote your book is every 90 days you can run a promotion for 5 days of your book being free. And so you can do that in your dashboard with any book that you have as part of the KDP Select program. And we will discuss specifics about the KDP program later in this course. What we're going to do is we're going to click this button that says Promote and Advertise. You're then going to look down on the left side and you're going to see that you can either run a Kindle countdown deal or you can run a free book promotion. So we're going to click this button that says Run a Free Book Promotion. And then we're going to click this button that says Create a Free Book Promotion. Once you do that, you'll select the start date and then you'll select the end date. Once you do that, you'll then click Save. Now, once you run your promotion, what will happen is that you will then be ineligible to run a Kindle countdown deal. Now, one of the things you'll notice right away is that we will no longer be able to run a Kindle countdown deal during this time because we're running the free book promotion. But if the free book promotion hasn't started, you can still stop that promotion and then run your Kindle countdown deal. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.